Today we're going to be connecting the RC controller to the Mavic Air 2S. So we're going to power the controller and the drone on.
Okay, now
Now to put the drone into pairing mode, you long press the battery power button until you hear the beep. And now it's in pairing mode. Go to connection guide on the controller, Air 2S, and it's
camera view.
searching for the aircraft.
Yeah, camera view.
You can open the camera view.
Go to the three dots. Control, the second top, yeah, and scroll down or up. Full repair. After the beep, in about a few seconds. Yeah, there you go, connected. And now press on this side of the thing, yeah, and it's connected anyway, but we need to just do the aircraft firmware updates. So that's it. So this is how you can connect the drone yourself.